Pesky flakes can turn a good hair day into a not-so-great one. But don't fret, there's hope with simple home remedies that can help you say goodbye to dandruff. First up, apple cider vinegar, a true multitasker in the world of home remedies. Mix it with water in equal parts, apply to your scalp, and after a gentle massage, let it work its magic for 15 minutes before rinsing. Next, let's talk about tea tree oil. Known for its antifungal properties, it's a powerhouse against dandruff. Just remember to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil before massaging it into your scalp for the best results. Speaking of coconut oil, it's not just a great partner for tea tree oil. On its own, it can be a moisturizing marvel. Warm it up, massage it into your scalp, and leave it overnight. Your hair will thank you. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's also a soothing remedy for an itchy scalp. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse away for a calming effect. For a quick exfoliating fix, turn to baking soda. It's great for scrubbing away dead skin cells. Massage it into your wet scalp, rinse thoroughly, and you're on your way to a cleaner, flake-free scalp. Aspirin isn't just for headaches. It can also tackle dandruff. Crush 2 tablets, mix them with your shampoo, and wash your hair as usual. The salicylic acid helps exfoliate the scalp and clear those flakes. Lastly, plain yogurt can be a cool and creamy solution. Apply it to your scalp, let it sit for 30 minutes, and rinse. It's as simple as that. Remember, consistency is key with these remedies. Use them regularly for the best chance at a dandruff-free life. And if those flakes are stubborn, don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist. Now you're ready to start your journey to a healthier scalp.